another MNC Realty listing. And today, we are here at Las Piñas City para sa ating new mini house tour. As you can see, itong bahay na to ang ating house tour today with a lot area of 309 square meter and the floor area of 340 square meter with a 4-bedroom and with a swimming pool. So before we start, first, we are here at the front of the house right now kung saan nakikita nyo ang ating vehicle gate and the pedestrian gate kung saan dyan tayo papasok. So let's start guys. Come inside. So as we enter, mapapansin nyo, they have also a outdoor landscape here. And that pathway, papunta siya sa dirty kitchen area, swimming pool, but later natin yan pupuntahan. And, hiningal ako ng konti. And this is the carport, kung saan 4 vehicle ang kasyang-kasya dito sa atin. So, it's up to you kung paano mo islat yung car mo. And, okay, this is the main entrance door, which is, they also have an automated door lock. Pero dahil open na siya para sa atin. And here we go. Welcome to my home. This house is really amazing ang interior, guys. As you can see, pagpasok mo pa lang, I'm not gonna mention, hindi yata kasama yung ating painting, no? But let's see. And guys, mention ko lang, no? Natutuwa lang talaga ako sa design nila, sa pagka-interior nila nitong area na ito, no? From here, they also use ng mga stone, and they also use the faux stone wall panel. Ito yung nauuso ngayon, no? Faux is from the words fancy or fake, o, di ba? So, pag chinek mo siya, hindi talaga siya stone. Pero, dahil nga yung generation nila is nag-upgrade, so, they also use ng mga materials na mas madaling gamitin. And of course, mamaya na tayo umakyat, dito muna tayo sa baba. From here, from the entrance, from the main door, they have also powder room dito sa baba. Na napaka-cute. So, this is the powder room that they have here. And pagpasok mo dito sa ating living area, they have, this one is also included, They have 75 inches na smart TV. Nakasama siya sa ating, included dito sa house. And they have high ceiling dito sa ating living area with a beautiful chandelier, di ba? So, this is our, how to say, dito ka pwedeng maglagay ng salo set mo, L-type mo, so it depends kung paano mo pa siya i-design. And, anyway guys, if you want to see the full house tour of this unit, remember to hit and like our YouTube channel. Yeah. And anyway, we are here right now at the kitchen area. So everything that you see na nandito, the stove, the gas range, included na siya. So they have all the cabinets and everything that you need here. The sink, modular cabinet of course. And later on, na-review nyo dito yung ating swimming pool, no? They have outdoor lanai dito. But before that, dito muna tayo sa side nila. They have one room here, which is pwede nyo maging office. So it depends kung gusto nyo siyang gawing kwarto, because this one also have a toilet and bath on that side. They have also the cabinet na. They have design cabinet already. And see, it's so relaxing. Can you imagine sa gabi matutulog ka? Tapos ganyan yung sounds mo, di ba? Anyway, before we go sa ating swimming pool area, ikot tayo sa ating kitchen because they have also a daily kitchen or a dirty kitchen inside, beside dito sa swimming pool area. So, this is the daily kitchen. They have also the cabinet, the sink here, and they have access on this side, which is dun tayo galing kanina sinasabi ko sa inyo, the other pathway. And that another room also is also a room para sa mga kasambahay nyo. That room is also have toilet and bath. And if you wanted to also use this way, they have also a toilet and bath here for some visitors na pwede nyong dyan pagamitin. Or it's either ayaw nyong pumasok sa loob ng bahay. And that way also lead you sa swimming pool area. So paikot siya, dun ka lalabas sa swimming pool. So this is the dirty kitchen which you also have access on the swimming pool side. So hindi na kailangan dumaan dito. Anyway guys, nakalimutan ko yung swimming pool natin. So let's go. We have also an indoor lanai here where you can put your table here para syempre sarap pag-swimming na busog. So here we are. So nice, diba? That's our dipping pool. So that's the view here. Pwede na ba ako mag-swimming? And we are here right now at second floor area. So this is, I love this area. Kasi, tingnan mo, di ba? So nice, ang ganda ng kanyang chandelier. And tanong mo yung ating living area. Pwede ako mag-emote later. And, of course, mamaya natin, unahin muna natin itong area na ito. Mamaya na yung ating primary bedroom. This is the bedroom number 1. Number 2 because the number 1 is on the ground floor. So this is the number 2 room. Of course, they all have a designer cabinet. Ang gaganda ng cabinet nila. It's not just a cabinet. Kung mapapansin nyo. So talagang that's why they call it designer cabinet. And this is the another toilet and bath. Kaya lang nakasara siya, sorry. And this one have a connection of a balcony with the room number 3. So they have one balcony connecting. So this is the another room. And I want you to see the view on this side. So yan yung ating swimming pool area. So ganda. So let's go to our bedroom number 3. So same with the other one. Anyway, this house have also included ang 4 sets of air conditioner na split type. So lahat ng ating 4 bedroom, meron na siyang split type na aircon. And this is the toilet and bath of this room. So pakita ko sa inyo. So, see. Para makita niyo kung gaano sila kalaki, diba? So, included siya. We have everything that they need. And they have also vanity mirror here with the light effect. And let's go sa ating primary bedroom. I like the area of this place talaga. And here we are. So this is our primary bedroom. And before, I forgot to mention, this house also have 8 sets of CCTV camera. As you can see, ito yung kanilang monitor, no? So, kasama siya sa ating presyo. And let's find out what we have here. They have also a toilet and bath here. Ito yung pinaka-cabinet niya dito sa ating master bedroom. So, I like the texture kung paano nila ginagawa yung cabinet. Napaka-smooth pag binuksan mo. And here we go. And syempre, ang ating primary bedroom, meron siyang sarili niyang balcony. So, ang harap ng ating house, ito yan. So, ito yung ating garahe, yung bubong ng ating garahe. Napakatahimik. Alam mo yun? Pinaririnig pa ako mga huni ng ibon. And this area also have a CCTV na naka-install. So, ayan yun. So, isa siya dun sa sinasabi ko kanina na 8 CCTV na naka-install dito sa bahay na to. So, here we go, guys. And that's it for today. So, if you are interested sa ating napakagandang unit today, just send us a message, give us a call. See you then!